Hello guys! I'm Maria Zyrene from Grade 5 Amos. Today I will teach you how to clean your bedroom properly. But before we start, I have a question. Do you clean your bedroom every day? If yes, keep it up. If no, I will teach you how. So the first step in cleaning the bedroom is to remove all the clutter on the floor like pieces of wrapper thrown about and used or unused clothes. And the second step is to fix the bed by changing the bed sheet and pillowcase. Make sure the bottom of the bedsheet is tucked under the mattress. And the step 3 is to make the blanket straight and fluff the pillows. The fourth step is to fold and hang the clothes to make the drawers and closet look neat. Organizing the storages can open up more space when clothes are neatly stored. The fifth step is to sweep the floor properly. Step 6 is to mop the floor after you sweep the floor. Let's mop the floor. The seventh step is to spray the room with an air freshener if you are using it. Step 8 is to return the materials in its place. And the last step is to dispose the garbage properly. And these are the steps on how you clean your bedroom properly. Now, it's your turn to clean your bedroom properly. Good luck! Thanks for watching. Bye! Whatever your hand finds to do, do it with excellence. Ecclesiastes chapter 9 verse 10. Bye!